open your book to page 571, and let's use set 2 as an example. And this section is on graphing. So let's go and do a few of this graphing. So let's start with 23. You want to graph y equal to 5x minus 1. So this is the slope-intercept form. So when you graph, see this is your starting point. This is when x equal to 0, y equal to negative 1. That's where it came from. Okay, so that's your starting point right over here. Okay, so that's your starting point. Again, don't go sideways because this is y. Okay, so there are some of you still kind of going sideways. There are several of you, so watch for that. Okay, and then the slope is 5. So this is 5 over 1. That's the slope. So it means go up 5, go over 1. So from here, you go up 5. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you go over 1. And you can repeat the pattern, right? Up 5 over 1, up 5 over 1, and you connect the dots, and that is your graph. So again, it's very simple, very straightforward. And let's go to number 26, that use the negative. So you have y equal to negative 1/2 x plus 2. So when you graph, so again, that's your intercept, right? When x equal to 0, this is gone, so y equal to 2. So y equal to 2, so 1, 2. So that is your starting point right over here. Again, your starting point should always in the right direction, right? That's why it's called a y-intercept. Then your slope. The slope is negative 1 over 2. So it means negative means go down and go over 2. So it means you go down 1, go over 2. Right? So go down 1, go over 2, so you can get more points. The more points you have, the more accurate your graph would be. And that's it. Okay, so that's your starting point. Now, what happens if you put a negative on the bottom? What happens if you go 1 over negative 2? Well, it's still okay, because what happens means this means go up 1, and this means go to the left 2. That's what it means. So you go up 1, so you end up right over here. Go up 1 and go over 2, so you end up right over here. Okay, so this one, so you start over here. If you go down 1 over 2, you end up right over here. If you go up 1 and over 2 this way, you end up right over here, but they're on the same line. So it doesn't matter where you put a negative. Okay, you can put on the top or on the bottom, but you have to keep track on the direction. On the top, if it's positive, you go up. Negative, you go down. On the denominator, if it's positive, you go to the right. If it's negative, go to the left. So again, either method is fine. So you can put negative on the top or put a negative on the bottom. It doesn't matter. It will come out the same. Okay. So if you run out of room on the top, then you want to go down this way, right? If you run out of room over here, you go up that way. Okay. Okay. Okay, so let's go and do some practice. Through okay, so go and do the evens first. Don't worry about the odds. Okay, we can do that later. So